Good morning, my dear.
Good morning.
What day is it?
Today's day 3 of our travel day. I don't know.
Week.
I don't know what day it is. I seriously do not know what day it is. Oh, it's Saturday.
It is.
Thank goodness there's stuff on the wall I can look at.
It is day 3 of our travel week.
It's true.
It has been
And I can't get my necklace.
an adventure.
It has.
It's
been
a long trip.
good.
We've got one more long travel day today. We're going to end up in Iowa. And then we got a couple of short days when we get to Indiana, huh?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, action.
We stayed here at America's Mailbox last night, and I know we promote America's Mailbox, but I got to tell you, they gouge you for an overnight stay.
Yeah, all of a sudden she said it's been 2 years, but
Yeah, $20 a night for dry camp, and that's a little ridiculous.
in the parking lot.
In a parking lot that we're members of. So I get
So
maybe.
when they say welcome home.
Yeah. Yeah, so maybe it's the fact that they're close to Mount Rushmore. I don't know.
It could be, you know.
I mean, everything else around here is really expensive, but
Yeah. And it's their property and they can do what they want.
I guess, but I would have, yeah, anyway.
It was
So we're,
just a little surprising. Is all. When she said $20, we just kind of like, oh.
so we've got a long travel day coming up, and we are going to hit the road and eastbound and down and rolling up and trucking, and I know I keep saying that, but here we go. All right.
Good buddy.
Yeah, good buddy. 10-4.
10-4, good buddy.
Let's get on the road.
All right.
Says we're going to get there at 5 o'clock local.
Okay. I figured that's when we get in.
We're going to have a fuel stop, so figure 5:45.
On the road again.
Well, that was kind of cool.
Yeah. We have a subscriber that just passed us, and we're going to stop on the wayside and meet him.
Yep, they're driving a medium-duty Freightliner, and they're from Wisconsin. We don't know who they are yet.
No.
But they tried to get a hold of us on our CB radio, and apparently theirs isn't working, and so they were messaging us on Facebook and said they wanted to pull off and meet us up the road. So
I mean, how sweet is that?
yeah, this is
nice.
really cool, you guys. If you guys ever see us on the road, you know, feel free to jump on the radio and call us, or private messages on Facebook or whatever.
Wave honk.
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty neat.
Because it makes us happy, just because of that.
Yeah, it does. And by the way, this kind of segues into our new plan for our community, huh?
Yeah.
So we've got some exciting news coming up, guys, and we're really excited about it. And I gotta tell you, me and the RV, Stacy and Phil, we are not stealing your idea. Trust me.
No, but it's
I
such a
swear
great
we did
idea.
not. We're not stealing your idea. We've been contemplating this for months now.
Yeah.
And we're finally going to pull the trigger since you guys did. We've been going back and forth on it, back and forth. And
Yeah.
you guys did it, and it's a great idea, Phil and Stacy. So, you know, thumbs up to you guys.
Yeah.
We're going to create a community on RVillage.
Yes, we are.
And so we're in the final stages. We've been working on it for months, and we're finally going to pull the trigger on this thing. And so stay tuned. We're going to give you some more information on that.
Yes. Thank you, Phil and Stacy, for doing that. And
That just pushed us over the
it
edge.
pushed us, yeah. It's like, oh, they did it. We can do it too. Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna create a community on RVillage, and we're in the final stages of putting it together, and we're really excited.
We are.
So
Yeah.
more of that to follow. So let's see where we end up pulling off and meeting these
Yeah.
guys.
I hope we don't pass them.
No.
We know all about you. Hi, Jim.
Hi, nice to meet you.
You too. Oh, Scotty will be coming. We
saw
told our friends, we said, there's a red semi up there, and if it says Sweet Travels on the back, we got to get up there. This is our friend Jeff Henschel.
Hi.
I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
Nice to meet
Hi
you.
Jeff, I'm Jim.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Fun. Here comes Scotty. I already got my hug.
I said, Dawn, good thing we stopped. Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, they called me on the radio and said, get up behind that.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
camper.
Jeff, you gotta catch that camper and see if it says on
I
the
said, well,
back.
I can catch it and pass it.
How was the rally?
The rally was really neat.
We gotta watch the video. I saw you posted one, but we didn't have Wi-Fi where you were at.
So this is Thursday was the pre-rally, our travel down, and then the rally will actually be this Thursday,
Okay.
and then you guys will be in the next video probably.
Oh,
You gotta fix my hair, Kelly.
you look perfect. Kinda gonna go to Indiana to look at a camper design one. That's what I thought. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, that's where we're headed.
So
DRB,
you're having one built, right?
Right.
Yeah, they're having a camper built.
we need to make sure that DRB can do everything we want to do with the floor plan.
Yeah.
They just took us along and we got a tour of the one they're gonna get. The only one in the country.
In the world, right?
In the world. You guys we can never wait till you post your video.
Oh, that's so fun. That is so
We
fun.
watch it all the time, but that's how we make it through our winter in Wisconsin.
Yes! Watching all of you.
about as level as you can get.
And right, I mean, you drive in and it was waiting for us. That was just the neatest thing. Thank you, God. That is awesome.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
How do you beat a deal like this for 15 bucks for full hookups?
You can't. We paid 20 last night for
a dry
parking
camp.
lot.
Going down this way?
16.
Okay. I'm a heavy equipment operator, so I'll help you out, okay?
Oh, okay.
They're not supposed to be, okay?
Well, I can put this pretty well.
Oh, I know. I seen you come in, but the bad thing is a lot of people don't know
Yep.
what I was doing
Yep.
as far as your back in,
Yep.
okay?
Yep.
So they get all,
No, I appreciate it.
oh, that's okay,
Thanks, bud.
man. I'm glad I could help.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's all right.
Okay, day 5 of 5.
Yes. Yay.
Day 5, travel
We're
day of
here.
5.
Well, we're not here, but we're gonna be
Yep, we're leaving Illinois,
Illinois.
headed for Indiana,
We are.
and we'll get there this afternoon.
Yay!
But we got to wash the truck and trailer first. They're filthy.
Yes.
We got to find a blue beacon.
Yeah. Exactly.
So here we go, down the road, blue beacon, Howe, Indiana. Oh boy.
I can feel it so close. It's been a long week.
Let's get on the road.
All right.
Oh my goodness, we're not out west anymore. Holy. Traffic was, I've never seen traffic like that. Even in Denver
No.
or Houston.
No. Trucks after truck after truck.
And
And more truck.
The speed limit's 55. The roads are filled with potholes and we're bouncing all over the place.
It's
and
like-
I'm getting past like I'm standing still doing 57. Good grief.
It's like going over speed bumps through the whole.
At 57 miles
Oh
an
my
hour.
gosh. I hope our fifth wheel's okay.
Oh man.
I don't even want to look in there to see if anything's popped open. It has been. I'm tired.
Okay, Congress, do your job
Oh.
and get a spending bill put together so you can fix the roads and bridges.
Yeah.
Good grief. Oh, all right.
Yeah. Illinois, no offense.
Your
The
roads
roads
are terrible. And I do make offense to Illinois. That's horrible.
I know. Don't you have a lot of money? I mean, come on.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, we made it. Well,
All right, we're
we
wait-
made it to the Blue Beacon anyway.
We're
We
waiting
can
to get
kind of,
the truck washed because we haven't had it washed in a number of weeks, and
and it's pretty bad.
yeah, it's pretty dirty. So we're gonna get the truck washed. I'm gonna do a quick walk around and stretch my legs.
We need to have lunch.
Yeah, we can have lunch.
Get
all right.
lunch and
Holy smokes.
kind of take a nap maybe.
Sheesh.
It was,
That was an
we
experience.
made it. We made it to a safe spot for a little bit anyway. Anyways,
my gosh.
it was crazy, as you can tell.
All right.
So, okay, we're gonna get the truck washed.
Did we make it to Indiana?
I think you forgot to turn left in Illinois.
You think we're still in Iowa? Hey, we made it.
Welcome to Howe, Indiana.
And DRV and
Yeah.
Cruiser. The home of DRV and Cruiser.
That's right.
Yeah. So it was a long trip.
Yes.
And the roads were horrible. Horrible, I'm telling you. Horrible.
And we survived. And we didn't get a t-shirt.
Oh, yeah.
We should get those. We should get a shirt.
I survived the roads.
the roads around the United States.
Oh, man.
Tell ya.
Anyway, we're glad to be off the road for a few
Yeah.
days. We've got some meetings right over there. Can we go this way? We got some meetings. We've got some meetings right over there coming up. So
Yep.
we're really anxious to meet everybody at DRV and to Slade and Alicia are coming.
Yay!
And we get to hang out with them.
Yeah.
And I don't know what else to expect. I think we're getting a factory tour. That'll be cool.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure what else we got. Alicia said we're going to be able to take a tour through Morrite as well. So she set that up.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Yay!
So she's set everything up for us. We're just we just showed up to say hi to everybody and meet everybody and discuss a few things on our floor plan. And fingers crossed.
Well, it'll work.
It'll work.
I feel it.
Okay.
Feel it in my bones.
Okay. But it was a long 5 days. We're glad to be off the road.
Yes.
Thanks for coming along, everybody. And for all you new subscribers, thank you so much.
That's so. You're so awesome.
We're so happy you're here.
Yeah.
So, in the meantime, from Howe, Indiana,
At DRV
at DRV,
LLC. It all starts with an idea.
thanks for coming along, guys. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.